Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today is day 5 of my festive week of videos, which sadly means that this week is over. But I think I've saved the best for last. Today I'm going to be sharing my favorite sustainable wrapping tips. This time of year, we create so much waste, and a lot of that is due to gifting. So this year, I decided I would put together my favorite wrapping alternatives. I have divided this video into 4 main categories. Each category will be one of my wrapping alternatives, and then within each category, I'll be sharing my favorite decoration ideas. I am so excited for this video, so let's get started. Wrapping alternatives are paper bags or craft paper. I like using paper bags because I can collect them throughout the year and then they get a second life when they become wrapping paper. First, I'm going to make my own pattern paper by weaving velvet through my brown paper bag. To start, I cut the bag to fit the gift I'm wrapping. Next, I'm measuring out where to make the slits for the velvet strings. I made slits with scissors, but you could also use a hole punch. To make the pattern more exciting, I made 6 slits on the top and bottom and 8 slits in the middle. Once the slits were cut, I strung the velvet through. Then I tied the extra velvet in bows. If you didn't want the bows, you could cut the excess velvet and tape the edges inside of the paper. Then I just finished wrapping the gift normally, and I have a really precious patterned and decorated gift, only using velvet and a paper bag. The second use of a paper bag is making a decorated gift bag. For this, I cut the top off of a bag and then added washi tape around the top edge. Washi tape is a great tape substitute because it's made from plants and is both reusable and compostable. I decided to add a 3D component to my bag by using the paper scraps. I cut these scraps into a tree and then used washi tape to decorate. I also decided to use branches that fell off of my Christmas tree and a dried orange. Again, I used my velvet to make the handles, and there is my upcycled gift bag. My next wrapping replacements are gift bags. I receive gift bags every year, so rather than throwing them away, I keep them to use year after year. Today, I'm going to show you my hacks for using a gift bag without using any tissue paper. So the first and simplest hack is to close the bag completely so you can't see the contents inside. To do this, you just string each handle through the opposite opening, then pull the handles tight, and you have a bag that is completely shut. My next hack is using a drawstring bag as the tissue paper. So today I'm using a dust bag I had saved. It would also be really cute with a festive bag or something with texture like faux fur. I think the drawstring looks really nice, and I like that it adds another layer of unwrapping. I think this technique would work great with toddlers that might struggle with wrapping paper. Next up, we have reusables and using gifts as wrapping. A really great reusable is a tin. Tins come in a variety of shapes, sizes, and colors, and they are super durable, so they can easily be reused. To take my tins to the next level, I am using 3 different sizes and stacking them to make the unwrapping more involved. I am always drawn to wrapping paper that has metallics and glitter, which is the worst for the environment, so I love using tins as a replacement because you can get super festive without the waste. My next tip is using something you're gifting as the wrapping. This year, I'm gifting my sister some silicone snack bags and a few small items. So I decided to wrap some of the smaller items in one of the silicone bags, and I had a spare mason jar, so I'm wrapping one of the other items in that. If, like me, you're gifting something clear, a sustainable way to hide the items inside is to make a natural insert. So for these, I'm using dried oranges, apples, cinnamon sticks, and star anise on top of a scrap piece of paper. My final wrapping alternative is fabric. Fabric is super versatile and can be used in so many ways after it completes its gift wrapping purpose. So first up is using a drawstring bag. Again, this one I had laying around, but this time of year there are so many fun options. To make mine more exciting, I replaced the string with velvet. Then I added a natural decoration by using twine, a dried orange, and apple, and an ornament. Salt dough ornaments would also be super cute as a non-plastic substitute. I wrapped some socks in this to give to my 1-year-old because the drawstring will be easier for him to open. My second fabric alternative is using a reusable bag. I got this bag last holiday season and I thought the color was perfect for gift wrapping. This alternative is extra special because I'm also using a no-tape technique where you wrap the edges of the fabric inside itself. This technique also creates a little pocket that's perfect for adding decoration or a card. We are down to my last alternative, and that is a cloth wrapping technique called furoshiki. For this, I'm using a scarf, which I am also gifting. There are several different techniques, but in each, you basically just tie up the corners of the fabric around your gift. To make mine look extra special, I tucked in the corners to make it look like a giant Christmas bow.
So there are my favorite sustainable wrapping tips. I really hope you enjoyed this video as well as my entire week of festive videos. Please let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I will be taking next week off, but if you click the subscribe button, you will be alerted to when my next video is live. Thank you so much for joining me. I look forward to seeing you in my next one. Bye guys!